Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Genshin Impact account. So, you can do this from both your PC as well as your mobile device. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account, and if I go to my account settings, there is no option named delete account. So, the only way you can delete your Genshin Impact account is by directly sending a mail requesting the deletion of your account. So, to do that, go to your mail service provider and compose a new mail. So I've left their email addresses in the description. You can copy it from there if you don't want to type that in. So these are the two addresses you can send your email to. You can send to any one of these or both of these. So in the subject, type in request to delete my account. Now in the body paragraph, enter the reason why you want to delete your account. So you can write your own reason or simply copy what I write. So once you've written this, simply send the mail, and once the mail is sent, you just have to wait until they reply with a message. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.